Hello friends, welcome back to the Oracle Integration Cloud Training Program. So in this video, we are going to cover how to create our workflow rules in SFDC and then how to create our outbound message in SFDC, extract outbound WSDL in SFDC, and then how to capture SFDC events in Oracle Integration Cloud. In my previous video, I have described how to create a SFDC connection in Oracle integration, and same I'm going to use in this video, and I will show how to capture SFDC events in Oracle integration. Why I'm going to showcase how to create workflow rules, how to create outbound messages, how to download the outbound visitor. It is because all these things are we are going to use in our Oracle integration. So in order to create a workflow rule, we have to log in into the SFDC first. The outbound messages we will also create in SFDC, and then outbound WSDL we will also generate from the SFDC, and this outbound WSDL will be required in the Oracle integration to capture the SFDC event. So the SFDC event are based on the outbound messages which we will create in the SFDC. So let's get started and first log in into the SFDC. So I have just logged in into the Salesforce account which we have created in the previous video, and then I will search a workflow rules from here. Workflow rules. Click on the workflow rules under that process automation. Once you click on this, here you will see you will be landed onto the workflow rules where it will show all the rules which you have created. Now, in order to create a new rule, just click on a new rule, and here you have to give on which object you wanted to create that workflow rule. I'll say on opportunity and then next. You have to give the rule name. I can give learning of rule. You can give any name, and then you have to give the evaluation criteria like and every time it's edited, or created and anytime it's edited to the subsequently meet criteria. So for this time being, I will opt this, and then I can say if opportunity stage is under, if opportunity stage reaches to the prospecting, then I wanted to fire this rule, and then save and then next. Once you do this, you will come on a edit rule page wherein you have to describe the action. So what action will fire when this workflow rule will be fired. Okay, so here you can create a new task when this workflow rule will meet on that particular opportunity object, or you can send an email alert. As I mentioned that the Oracle integration SFDC adapter works upon the outbound messages if you wanted to capture event. So I'm going to create a new outbound message. Just click on it. Once you do this, it will ask the opportunity. It will ask the outbound message name. I'll say opportunity outbound. So time being, okay. The unique name will be there automatically, and you have to give the endpoint URL. For the time being, I can give www.google.com. Later, I will replace it with my OIC URL. I will show you, and then from here you can send all the fields which you want in your outbound. So I will select all and then add. Simply save and then new. Now my outbound message is ready. Now you just cancel it. It is because I have created a new workflow rule. So here you see my workflow rule has been created, which will be fired on the opportunity object, which I have created on the opportunity object, and the role is stage equals to prospecting. And on that I have created and then outbound message. Click on a edit, and from here, okay, no, cancel it. And now I needed to download that outbound WSDL which we have created. Okay, so from here you just search outbound messages, and then we have created this OP outbound. Click on it, and now click for wisdom. Once you click on it, you will be landed on a different tab where it will show your outbound wisdom. Click on it and then save as. You can save it here. I can say outbound dot wisdom. Make sure the extension will be dot wisdom. Now my configuration is done on my Salesforce. I have created a workflow rule, and then I have created a outbound message. Now I will create an integration. I will create an integration in my integration cloud. Before I do this, I will create a ATP. I will create a table into the ATP database so that whatever data will come, I can store into my ATP database. So let me just open the SQL developer. Okay, and then I will create a new table. Just click on this and then click on a create object. Now I can give the opportunity, and here I will create field like the op ID. Then it can be a varchar. I will create op name. I can say the amount, and I will make another column like stage. Okay, and then click on a create button. So you can make it this is a primary key, and then click on a create button. It is created. Now just close it. Now here, if you refresh it, now your table opportunity has been created. Now go back and then click create a new integration based on app driven orchestration pattern. Now here I will create an integration like Salesforce capture SFDC event. Okay, and then create. Now on the trigger point, I will select my Salesforce connection, and here I will give an endpoint name like SFDC of event, and then next. And here you have to choose that outbound visual which we have downloaded. Click on a choose file, and then desktop, and then choose your outbound.vista. Click next. Once you click on next, here you can configure a successful callback as well as failure callback as well. If you select this, and then from here you can just select configure, and you can perform any operation like CRUD. You can perform any core operation and the utility on any business object. I don't want it to perform this operation. Cancel, and then I will deselect this object. Next, and then finish your visa. Save your integration. Now I wanted to send the data into my ATP database, so I will drop my ATP adapter over here. Now I will enter the endpoint name push data, and from here I will select perform an operation on a table, and I will use insert or update operation. Click next. I will select the schema in which my table resides, and then search. Import this opportunity table, and then click on a import tables. Then simply click on a next, and then finish your wizard. Save your integration, and then do a mapping. Now under that opportunity, go to the notification, go to the opportunity, and under that sequence 1, just drop this ID to opportunity ID, and then from this sequence, then amount to amount, there will be a name field and then stage field which you can map. name. This is the opportunity name. And then there will be a stage name as well. That's it. And then validate it. And then close your mapper. Save your integration. And now just enable a tracking parameter from here as a mandatory step. You can put organization ID as a tracking field and then save. Save your integration and then close it. Now just try to activate your integration. Enable tracing and then include payload and then activate it. Once you activate this integration, a visual will be generated. Let it be activated. Here, just click on this, and here you see a visual endpoint has been generated. So if you click on this here you see this is the visual endpoint. But this is your main endpoint URL which you have to take it. So that will be till, and you don't need to take the question mark and then visual. Just take this 1.0 and then slash. Or you can just copy here. Copy from here as well. Okay, take this. Now go to your outbound message and here just edit this endpoint. Click on edit. In place of www.google.com, you can paste it over here and then save it. Now another thing is, again go back to your workflow rule and you have to activate your rule. As of now it is deactivated. Activate it. Once it will be activated, now the button will be changed from activate to deactivate, which means your rule has been activated. Now I will create a new opportunity here and then we'll show you. Okay, so let me just first go to switch to Salesforce Classic and then again switch to Lightning Experience. Here just click on this opportunity tab and then click on new opportunity. I will create a new opportunity, my learning op, and amount you can fill up anything. Close date I can choose anything, and stage I will choose prospecting. Okay, I have just taken the mandatory information and then save. Now opportunity has been created. Now just go back to the integration and open the monitoring tab, and you will see a hit should receive on your integration. Here you see, just click on this too, and here you see this has been succeeded. Just forget about it, and here you just click on it. Now you see you have received one hit as soon as you have created an opportunity in the Salesforce. Let me open the visual. Now here you see your integration has been completed. You can open the view activity stream and you can see the data. You see all the data which you have entered has been received. Okay, you see my learning up of. Okay, you can see the stage name prospecting. Same way you can see the dollar amount as well. Here you see. Now just go back to the SQL developer and then make a select query. Here you see opportunity ID, the opportunity name, amount, and then stage has been entered into your ATP database. So this is how you can capture SFDC event in Oracle integration. So guys, that's all about this video, and in the next video we will see another things as well. Good day, bye bye.